Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making prawns roast. It is a very spicy and delicious dish, and you can have it with rice or roti, or you can just make it a roll as a sandwich. And if you are a spicy lover, you can have it alone too. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So step 1, let's marinate the prawns. Here I have taken 150 gram of prawns. I have cleaned my prawns and I didn't waste the head off, as it is crunchy and delicious when it is cooked. So let's start by adding turmeric powder, chili powder, I'm adding a half teaspoon of 7 spice. If you don't have 7 spice powder with you, you can just add garam masala. And then I'm gonna add 1 full tablespoon of black pepper powder. So spicy, isn't it? Now, aren't you forgetting something? Don't forget to add salt. After all the powder spices, we will be adding in our onions, green chilies and tomato. Then we have to add in your curry leaves. You can add in your curry leaves over here, or else we can add it in when we are frying, okay? Then one last ingredient for the marination is the tamarind paste. We have to use around 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste. And again, this is sweet tamarind. You can use normal tamarind too, no problem, but sweet tamarind is better in taste. So now let's mix. Make sure you coat every prawns with the mixture. Okay, mine is done. Now I will marinate it for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Wait. Okay, now my marination is done. Now next step is frying the prawns. I have taken a pan here on heat and I will be adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add more oil. I think 2 tablespoons is enough. Now let's shallow fry the prawns. You don't have to make it overcrowded. Just observe what I'm doing. After you're done with placing the prawns, you have to put the marinated mixture over it. Now let's cover and cook the prawns for 20 minutes. And also make sure it's low to medium flame. Okay, now it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to check out my prawns. It's cooked very well, but it's not yet roasted, right? So we have to keep it for another 20 minutes. I'm just flipping it on and I will again cook it for another 20 minutes. You have to keep it in low to medium flame. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Now let's check the prawns. My prawns roast is almost done. Now my last ingredient is a must, that is dried fenugreek leaves. This is really important in this prawns roast recipe because this ingredient is gonna give a different flavor and an aroma to your prawns roast. And you will see that the oil has been released from the prawns. This is the time when you understand that your gravy is well cooked. So now my favorite part, let's serve. You can serve it anyhow you like. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of lemon juice. And make sure you're gonna have green tea after having it because it's really spicy, isn't it? Okay my viewers, thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my further videos. Okay, see you in my next video. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.